What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know that a lot of you guys are out there saying to yourself that you are young and you are just going to making money. What should I do? Should I invest in stocks? Even though stocks have a tendency to at least crash and take a lot of people money, a lot of people lose money, a lot of people being confused. So this is if you are interested in knowing what to do before you go into the stock market and if you should invest in a time like this is a video for you. And my name is Dennis, guys, and I upload videos 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you're interested in gaining a lot of money to your bank account, and also if you're interested in financial income and also how to get passive income online, I would advise you to go and hit that subscribe button for me, please, and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, guys. So basically, as a 19-year-old, I am trying to make sensible business move from now, so that 5 to 10 years from now, when I look back at what I was doing at the age of 19, I can say to myself that yes, you have done the right thing to make online money, because guys, that is really where the world is going. So you can go out and do your day job, but you are also have to think about at least investing a couple $100s in the stock market, or invest in shares in a certain company which you feel comfortable with. A lot of people do whatever they want. A lot of people watch stocks like Tesla, which Tesla is about $900 about a few months ago, which now Tesla is going down because of the crisis that we are having in the world. So the stock market is under a crisis, guys. But basically, a lot of you are watching the videos and you're saying crisis, 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 crisis. So basically, you know what a crisis is, but you don't really know what a stock crisis is. So basically, a stock crisis is when a pandemic disease hit the world, it hit the global stock. So basically, the stock market is one of the world's highest things that a lot of people tend to try to know to make money. And when things like this happen, you lose money, and a lot of people are being confused on what to do. And a lot of people started selling their stocks. They are not keeping their stock because they say if they keep it, they are going to be losing money. And basically, so a lot of people do that. But guys, I myself have invested in the stock market. I'm not just here speaking off of reading things and just formulating videos. I want to not put knowledge in your heads, guys, to what you should do. So basically, I've invested around $400 back in February in Robinhood, and I bought shares in a lot of companies, guys, which I have lost some money. I am down in profit now. I've invested 400, and from then to now I am at $369 now, guys. But basically, I was going up before what happened, but when that started to happen, I started going down. But basically, guys, this is not the end of the world. This is not what you should look at and say the stock is crashing. Basically, this is not the first time stock has crashed. Stock has crashed in 1929 and back in 2008, where Dow Jones Industrial Average lost about 778 points, guys, and that was a very historical thing that have happened. This was the first time they have seen that in history. 778 points lost. But guys, now it's really heartbreaking to see a lot of people losing their money, and just because they have not really gone out and searched a lot of information to know what they should do, they are just basically seeking off people or other people who are basically investing in the stock market, and they have not really searched a lot of information for themselves. They are just selling stuff because they see their money losing. Guys, if I say like you guys, I went back down to $283 from 400, guys. That is a loss of $117, guys, and that is a whole lot, yes. But basically, if I had sold all my stocks just because I don't want to lose, I wouldn't be a good investor, guys. First, let me put this in your head: invest in stock, guys, is risky, guys. It is a risk that you are taking at your money. You're buying shares into some companies that can lose profit, guys, and you lose profit from all the stocks that you have invested, guys. So basically, I'm not gonna come out here and tell you to invest 10, 20 or $30,000. Basically, I am not going to be doing that. I'm just basically, I have a little bit of money, so I just now invest about $300, $400, as I stated. I've invested about $400 into the stock market, which I've invested in a lot of companies, guys. But if you are thinking that what I'm saying is not true, I'm going to show you live statistics now. I'm going to go into my Robinhood account, which now I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so guys, now I'm logging into my Robinhood account, where I'm going to be showing you all my statistics, guys. So as you see, pop up, you see $369 there. So I'm doing in profit about $31, guys, and these are some of the stocks which I invested my money in, which I have about the highest 26 shares I have in one company, which is the green one there. And if you know about Robinhood, you know that when it's all red like that, guys, you're down. No, if you sell that, you ain't gonna be making no money, guys. So basically I only have one active stocks, and now I'm going to be showing you when I started to invest, guys, and how much profit I gained from here, and how the highest I reached around 407, guys. But at this point, guys, when this thing started to hit my country, I started went down. You can see the lowest I have went, guys, is about $283, as I stated, guys. $283 here, and it started to fluctuate. It started going up, it started to come back down, it started going up, it started to come back down. I have days where I go about $20, some days I go 50, some days it started to come back right down, it come back down to 200 there, and next it started to go back up there, guys, to $369, which is active back right now, guys. So if as I'm saying to you guys, if you're just thinking that you're gonna be just making a lot of money from doing this, guys, this is investing, guys. So when you're investing, it's not just making money. You have to think about sometimes that the market will under a crisis and you will not be able to make money. But as you can see here, guys, it's really been fluctuating. I'm not losing money as it was when the virus hit my country full blown. So now it is really developing, but I have invested in some different other stocks which are kindly bringing me back up some money. So guys, as you see there, I have times when I wait to back up to actually near $400, but the point is the virus is not gone out of my country as yet, and it's still affecting the world. So also my country, we are still under the virus, which is having a very devastating moment for me in the market, guys. I'm not saying it is the wrong time I've started to invest in the market, but I think it's a good investment that I have made, guys, and I really want you guys to think about and just look at these statistics, guys. It is not, I am only $31 away from where I started, but it is not a good feeling to know that you have put your money into something and you're losing it. But the point is, this is investment, guys. A lot of people I've watched on YouTube, they have lost more than $50,000 in this, guys. So basically I've only lose $31 at this moment, which I don't know when tomorrow, which the market will be open again, which is tomorrow will be Monday. I don't know if the market will be open and if my stocks will go down, if I will go up back in profit, guys. So basically that is it, guys, and I hope you understand that. Basically, guys, as you've seen there, that is my Robinhood account, guys, and guys, as I said to you before, it's not good now. Business is not booming as it was when I was just starting. As you see, when I was just starting out, when I first invested about $400 in my account, I was at $7 maximum. That's the highest I ever reached in my account. But basically, it's going down now, but it's not the end of the world for me. It's kind of one of the best, the greatest feelings, because you see, when I go down low to $283 there, I then come back up right now and even reach the $275, which is go back down. So today it's really going on good today, because today is Monday, and yesterday I recorded the first clip on Sunday. So basically, guys, it's really good for me, and a lot of you guys, as you see, I didn't sell any shares. I bought more shares than what I have before. So basically, guys, you just have to be as consistent. And one thing I would like to advise each of you guys who are thinking about investing or putting money into stocks and putting money into different companies is to basically go out there and search for videos like these, where you can get to learn more information about what you are really doing. Because a lot of you out there, you don't know really what you're doing. You're just basically following people. As I stated before, you're just following people, and when you try to do these type of things, it affects you because you don't know what you're doing. You're just basically just putting money and expecting to make $1,000 off of $10. You cannot put in money and expect to make such big profit of what you're putting in. But basically, I am not gonna tell you not to do this, because this is one of the best ways where I can see that you can be financial free within a matter of 10 to 15 years from now, because I am 19 going 20 in about 8 months or so. So it's a very good move for someone like me to start. I'm not saying if you're older you cannot start business like this, but for me, I think it's the best thing for me to do at a young age, for me to start putting money into the stocks. You can see it's the best thing, guys, and I hope this video helped you to make you know that don't believe that the stock is there. The stock is under a crisis right now, which you know what is going on in the world. When things like these happen, it affects the stocks, which a lot of us like me lose a couple dollars or lose a couple $100, because you see I go down to the lowest 100 and about $17 I lost but I then started looking into the market and see how I can get my money, which I did, and now I'm in, not in profit, but I gained back some of my money, guys. And I wish you guys, I know that a lot of you guys out there right now, you're under losses, maybe more than I am, but I am advising you guys not to just sell all your stocks and thinking about that investing in stock is foolish, or this is not the way to go, you are going to be doing this and you're going to be doing that. No, you can still do it, but basically just think before, and as I said before, you should just go out and seek more knowledge on stocks and seek more information on how you can be profitable, as I am. But guys, this is my first time, I am new to, but guys like me, which you have seen that I've just put in a few hundred. I know a lot of you guys don't have it to put in a few hundred. You can basically start off with any amount you can. You don't have to be investing a lot. As you see, I did a $400. You don't have to do that. But basically, guys, it's really good to see young people like me doing business like that. So I wish a lot of you guys out there take my knowledge and put it into your daily life. So if this video inspire you, I hope you go down and hit that subscribe button for me, please. I would appreciate it so much, and leave a like on this video. I am out, guys.